This is a quick video to get this idea into the public domain. Once again, I will be taking a holistic overview approach to form/function design and presenting what I believe to be the simplest and most effective configuration for general purpose robots. Something that is efficient, modular, upgradable, and allows for simple machine learning, using existing animal movements as a base for a computer learning algorithm. Apes and their movements are perfect for general purpose robots. You have the heavy lift version, gorillas, the smaller utility version, monkeys, that can assist the larger robots in more complex tasks to increase efficiencies, tools, materials, maintenance, and light chores such. For general purpose situations, the body shape of an orangutan, with their longer arms, are perfect to access areas designed originally for humans. For the traversal of flat surfaces, wheels are too much of an advantage and would be the primary form of movement. More complex uneven terrain being done with the assistance of the knuckles of the hands, with the wheels using a change in tire pressure and an additional strut to increase surface area and stability during quadruped movement. An additional arm or fixing clamp would be used at these times to fix the load to the back, though this could be done with a secondary monkey unit, which should have the additional ability to grasp simple objects with its feet, allowing for greater flexibility for teamwork. This switching from bipedal with wheels to quadruped greatly simplifies the mechanics and programming, and should significantly lower unit costs without sacrificing efficiency too much. One way to visualize this is like stacking a Baxter armed robot unit onto the wheeled bipedal robot Asento and modifying the proportions to allow similar degrees of movement to that of an ape. Sensors would be located within the head and include LiDAR and a pair of cameras for more accurate depth perception and visual tracking for the task at hand. All of the individual elements exist already and are functional, including the high-speed transmission ability of a 5G network back to the web. The key is to combine the most useful features into a simple configuration. Being able to mimic existing movements will greatly assist in machine learning and help determine which joints and mechanics can be simplified for repetitive tasks, thus further lowering costs. Units should have at least basic autonomy, power pack, and onboard processor to be able to move safely when disconnected from the network and power grid. Connection to a central database would be needed for more complex tasks, thus benefiting from pooled experience and coordination between individual units, allowing them to swarm to accomplish more difficult tasks as needed together. Having the ability to plug power in remotely at each station would greatly reduce the need for onboard power cells and keep the units active with no downtime. Shared SLAM and pooled real-time LiDAR would also greatly increase situation awareness and safety of the overall system. The ability to switch modular extremities would allow the customization on site for specific tasks with aid of nearby monkey units. Thus, even the most complex tasks could be undertaken with minimal oversight and human input. Machine learning and swarm teamwork would quickly refine and increase efficiency for even the most complex tasks, with advantages and procedural changes due to lack of human worker input soon showing itself. 5G is a game changer. The ability to transmit massive amounts of data quickly significantly reduces the need for individual units to have their own complex processors. Individual signal booster stations and power distributors could be set up as needed by the monkey units. If connected back to the material production, we could quickly see a complete revolution in how things are built and installed. Now the only trick will be ensuring that humanity develops enough as a species to make use of this technology, which will soon make most manual labor obsolete. But that is what my other videos are for. All the best and take care.